Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I make my spinach rice. So let's see what the ingredients will be for this recipe. I have some minced garlic, some turmeric powder, some sea salt, or you can use regular salt, some dry basil leaves, some garlic salt, as well as some seasoning salt. I also have some chopped mixed bell peppers as well as half of an onion. Next I have some extra virgin olive oil, some long grain rice as well as some coconut milk. I'm starting off by pre-washing my rice until the water is clear. Next, I'm adding half of the chopped onion. I'm also sprinkling some dry basil leaves. And I'm adding 2 teaspoons of my minced garlic. Next, I'm adding 1.5 cups of frozen spinach, which I forgot to mention in my list of ingredients. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, but you only need 1 tablespoon. My next ingredient, I'm adding 4 cups of coconut milk. I'm lightly sprinkling some salt, then I'm going to mix all my ingredients. I'm lightly sprinkling some seasoned salt. Next, I'm mixing in my seasoning salt with my other ingredients. At this time, I'm adding in the remainder of the onion. Next, I'm adding some garlic powder. Now I'm going to mix in all my ingredients. For my last ingredient, I'm adding 2 pinches of turmeric. I'm going to cook my rice on medium heat until my coconut milk has boiled down and I can see my spinach rice. Then I'm going to reduce the heat and cook it until the coconut milk has dried out of the rice. Here is my spinach rice, which I have served with some shrimp tomato stew. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.